Hello, how to solve this nice math problem fast using elimination. 2x plus y is equal to 7. 3x minus y is equal to 8. Solution. Two x plus y is equal to 7. Let us call this equation 1. 3x minus y is equal to 8. Let us call this equation 2. We're going to solve this very fast. Now, you can see that the coefficient of s here is 2. The coefficient of y is 1, then constant is 7. The coefficient of s here is 3. The coefficient of y is minus 1, then constant is 8. Now, let's add equation 1 and 2 together. If you add equation 1 and 2 together, we have 2x plus y plus 3x minus y is equal to 7 plus 8. This cancel this. 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, is equal to 7 plus 8, that is 15. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 5. This divided by 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 3. Then x is equal to 3. This is the value of x. Now we've gotten the value of x. Let's solve for y. To solve for y, we can pick either equation 1 or equation 2. But let's make use of this equation 2. From equation 2, three x minus y is equal to 8. Now when s is 3, we have 3 brackets 3 minus y is equal to 8. Now 3 times 3, this is 9 minus y is equal to 8. Then here minus y is equal to 8 minus 9. Minus y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. This is the value of y. You can see that in 1 minute, you can solve this problem. Therefore, our final answer are s, y is equal to 3, 1. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. This is our equation 1. Then 3x minus y is equal to 8. This is our equation 2. Now, if s is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1, let us consider this. We have 2 bracket 3 plus 1 must be equal to 7. 2 times 3, this is 6, plus 1 must be equal to 7. Then 6 plus 1, this is 7, is equal to 7, which is true. Let us consider this. We have 3x minus y is equal to 8. Then 3 brackets 3 minus 1 must be equal to 8. 3 times 3, this is 9 minus 1 must be equal to 8. 9 minus 1, this is 8, is equal to 8, which is true. Now let us solve another problem. Now if you are given 4x plus 3y is equal to 18, then 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now let us solve this using elimination method. Here the coefficient of s is 4 and the coefficient of y is 3. The constant is 18. Here the coefficient of s is 2, and then the coefficient of y is -1. The constant is 4. You can see that the coefficient of y here is not the same as this. Now, 4x plus 3y is equal to 18. Let us call this equation 1. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 2. Then, because we are using elimination method, we're going to add the two equations together. But if you add together, you cannot eliminate either x or y. Now, in this case, let us multiply the equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 3. Then we have 4x plus 3y is equal to 18. And then 3 multiplied by 2x, this is 6x minus 3 multiplied by y, that is 3y, is equal to 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. Now, if you add the two together by elimination method, we have 4x plus 3y plus 6x minus 3y is equal to 18 plus 12. This cancel this. We have 4x plus 6x is equal to 18 plus 12, that is 30. Now this is 4x plus 6x, 10x is equal to 30. Now let's divide both sides by 10 divided by 10. This 10 cancel this 10. 10 here 1, 10 here 3. Therefore, s is equal to 3. This is the value of x. We've gotten the value of s. Let us solve for y. We can solve for y using either equation 1 or 2, but I'm going to make use of this equation 1. Then here we have 4 bracket 3 plus 3 bracket y is equal to 18. Then this is 4 times 3, 12 plus 3y is equal to 18. Now here we have 3y is equal to 18 minus 12. 3y is equal to 6. Now let's divide both sides by 3. This divided by 3. This 3 cancel this 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Then our final answer are x, y is equal to 3, 2. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4s plus 3y is equal to 18. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Then, if s is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, now let's consider this. We have 4 brackets 3 plus 3 brackets 2 must be equal to 18. 4 times 3, this is 12, plus 3 times 2, 6, must be equal to 18. 12 plus 6, this is 18, is equal to 18, which is true. Now, let us consider this. We have 2 bracket 3 plus 3 minus 2 must be equal to 4. Then 2 times 3, this is 6 minus 2 must be equal to 4. And of course, 6 minus 2, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.